Alright, let's record, and then when you're done, just hit the red button again.
Alright, I'm on
Just
it.
walk around with it if you can. Whatever you can do for 5 minutes.
Alright.
Where we at?
You're an idiot.
First down and goal.
Got it! Touchdown.
Oh, see you.
No, he got it. All in.
That was blown coverage.
2 minutes in the first quarter. What is it, 21-14?
Yeah.
Let's go for 2 if you want.
Huh?
Go.
There he is.
First and 5. Few yards past the first time. Ready to go?
Here comes.
We did down a ways. Trying to get like, deep cut. Minute, 30 seconds first quarter. Hut.
Not 1989 anymore, JT.
Good ball.
Sucking wind.
First down.
Third down.
Third down and stick.
Nothing easy.
Go out throw before you turn. Car. What truck? Car come down the street. You say car. Call Third down. Hut. Oh shit. Alright, first down.
Not enough,
Seahawks all the way.
not enough break time for you, Chaz.
Hut. Second and goal. Ready.
It's bunch formation over here. Got this.
Get Jeff's arm. My arm is down. That's it.
What's up? What's up? What's up, Charlie Bass?
You were open. Alright, that's the first quarter.
First quarter.
First quarter's over. Alright, let's take a break.